Hello Year 1. This video will help you with your literacy home learning for Tuesday the 12th of January. Today we're going to be sequencing. Do you remember the name of the story we listened to yesterday? Yes, Handa's Surprise. Do you remember what happened in the story? Yes, there were some animals who took pieces of fruit from Handa's basket. Do you remember the names of the animals? Have a think. Let's have a look at the animals and see if we can name them. What's this animal here called? Yes, it's called a monkey. Monkey begins with Do we know what this bird is called? It's quite a big bird actually. It's called an ostrich, beginning with sound ostrich. What's this striped animal called? Called a zebra. Zebra. Oh, this one's an easy one. Everyone should know this. The elephant. E for elephant. What's this animal with a long neck? Yes, it's a giraffe. This one's a little hard. You might not have seen this animal before. It's called an antelope. Antelope. This bird is called a parrot. A parrot. And finally, we have a goat. G for goat. Well done if you remembered all those animals. Now all the animals took a piece of fruit from Handa's basket one by one. Do you remember in which order which animal took what fruit? Which animal took fruit out of Handa's basket first? Have a think. Yes, it was the monkey. See if we can find a picture of our monkey. There he is. Do you remember the fruit that the monkey took out the basket? Have a look of all the fruits on the page. Yes, it was a banana. Monkeys like bananas. So the monkey took a banana out of Handa's basket. Can you remember which animal was next to take something out of her basket? Have a look at the pictures. Yes, it was the ostrich. There's the ostrich. Now, can you remember which piece of fruit the ostrich took out? Have a think. Yes, it was the guava. Nice green guava. Which animal was next? Can you remember? Yes, it was the zebra. The zebra came next. And do you remember which fruit the zebra took out of the basket? Yes, it was an orange. Zebra took an orange out of the basket. Okay, which animal was next then? After the zebra, it was the elephant. And can you remember which fruit the elephant took out of the basket? Yes, it was a red mango. Red mango. Who took fruit out of the basket after the elephant? Yes, it was the giraffe. And can you remember the fruit that the giraffe took out of the basket? It was a pineapple. Fantastic. After the giraffe, it was the antelope. And can you remember which fruit the antelope took out of the basket? Was it the passion fruit, the tangerine, or the avocado? Yes, it was the avocado. Who was next? Yes, the parrot. And can you remember the fruit that the parrot took out of the basket? Lovely dark purple passion fruit. Now the last animal is a goat. Now he didn't take anything out of the basket, but he did knock into a tree and managed to shake down some tangerines. Well done if you remembered those. Now to do your task, you need to go onto Purple Mash. And here's a screenshot of what you will see on Purple Mash when you go on there. This is Tuesday's work, and you're going to sequence. So on one side of the page you've got a story map, and remember the order that the pictures go in, and you use the arrows to help you. So the first picture goes here, the beginning of the story. There's a sentence underneath which talks about and going to visit her friend in the other village. And then follow the arrow for the next picture, and the next picture, and if you follow the arrows all the way around, this is a direction that the story goes in. Just follow the arrows. Now on this side you've got some pictures for the story, so all you need to do is click and then drag the picture along, and put it in the correct box. Okay, now you can also click underneath the box and there's a text box there where you can write a sentence about the picture. Okay, have a go.